What's up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Average Aaron's Auto Videos, and today I'm cleaning the PCV valve, I think that's what it is, in my 2009 Subaru Outback. And I'm also doing the oil in the Prius, so I'm just letting that drain for a minute. So that's why that's up in the background. But for this, I had to take off a lot of the box stuff on top, which is fine, because it's two 10mm bolts here and here, some air duct hosing, and I took off this here just to blow out the air filter with an air compressor, and then I took off the top to check my O2 sensors. But PC valve is the name of the game here tonight. So PCV valve, once you get this stuff off the box on top, there's just a couple of hoses, but the hose that runs from here, right there, and goes straight down to, let me get that little hole right there. I already pulled it out, but that's where it goes. It's a 19mm, and that's your PCV valve. Now the hose, let me grab it because I think it's right behind me. Yep. It is. Little hose right like this, runs right from there down into there. So where is the PCV valve, you ask? Well, I'm glad you asked, because I went ahead and pulled it out, and it's right here. Now, this bad boy, let's see, let's get it in the light here. Pretty funky. Pretty sure it's clogged in there. I've got a error code that I'll put in the description to fit that I've got. I think it's P0420. But anyway, there's a lot of things that could be wrong with it. There's a small chance it's this. So I'm going to clean this with brake cleaner and just spray this off and clean it up. So I'll come back once I'm done with that and show you guys what this part looks like and then where to put it back on. All right, I gave it a good bath, soaked it. Always wear gloves and glasses when you do this. But you can already see that's considerably better. I'm going to get a little wire brush and do some more scrubbing as it sits there and give it some more time to be cleaned up. All right, as you can see, those rings down there in the base of this canister, the rest of this is dirty from the EGR valve that I cleaned. But anyway, you can see that gunk that came out of there in those rings. That's pretty freaking awesome. And it's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna put it back in, and this might solve my issue. I doubt it, but at least I got a better PCV valve. So I'll keep you guys posted in the comments if it does, and we'll go from there. Hope you guys like this short and sweet video. Hit like and subscribe, please. I need it. And you do too. You just don't know it yet. So you guys have a great evening, and we'll see you guys next time.